So it's Angie from WhippedGreenGirl, and today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 carrier oils for hair. I get a lot of questions about hair and how to keep it healthy, what are my favorite choices, so I'm just going to break it down today. I know that there's so many out there. Trust me, you probably have your own picks. These are just my personal ones that work for my hair. Tried, tested, and true over 10 years. I've failed with many, but these are truly my winning top 3 picks. The first, though, being very simply, if you know me, my obsession with pumpkin seed oil runs deep. Look at the size of the jar that I buy of this. Is like 1,000 milliliters. But pumpkin seed oil is amazing on hair. Not only on skin, but hair too, right? Big trend right now, and study even, is like men are taking capsules of it to promote hair growth. So I'm not alone on preaching this oil. But why is it so amazing on hair? First of all, I would say it is full of zinc. So it helps speed up hair growth. It helps your hair's overall strength because it's loaded with vitamin A. It contains vitamin B. That's the winner for your just overall stronger hair growth and restoring hair shine. Fatty acids and omegas in there too. They'll help promote new, healthier hair growth. And finally, sulfur. It naturally occurs in pumpkin seed oil, and it helps keep your scalp moisturized and healthy. Now on to number 2, castor oil. You've probably even heard of using castor oil on hair. It's that popular. It's really a thick, goopy oil. Even like the bottle feels sticky. But it's a beautiful thing when it comes to hair. So some of the reasons why you would want to put castor oil in your hair. It contains ricinoleic acid. Oof, don't get me to say that again. Basically, that means it's fungicidal and germicidal, meaning it protects your scalp from infections, dandruff, and dermatitis. Also, ricin nourishes hair follicles, so it just helps hair growth. It helps it grow in longer, stronger. It's rich in proteins and minerals, so it protects your existing hair follicles, and it stops hair from shedding too quickly. It protects hair from sun damage and pollution, and it's a rich vitamin-loaded oil, so again, helps restore dry, brittle, frizzy hair. Now, my fave, number 1, it is definitely moringa oil. It's one of my fave because it's so great on your scalp along with your hair too. Why though? Because it has like plus 90 vital minerals and nutrients in it. It is a mega combination that will just naturally boost your hair and your scalp. Regular use, of course, though, people, there is no one-trick pony out there when it comes to growing your hair. If there was, we would all be using it, right? So it really comes down to regular use. The more you're, over time, over a few weeks of using any of these oils, I'm sure you will see a difference. But why would you want to use moringa oil? The benefits. Helps restore just healthier, happier hair. Protectively coats your hair too, so it's great for treating split ends. I love using it when my hair is getting really dry, sad, or I have frizzy hair. Moisturizes your scalp. It goes in deep, and it fights dandruff. Again, it's a super rich, essential nutrient oil, meaning healthy, happy hair and skin. So everyone's skin reacts differently to oils. Keep that in mind. I would just try them all and see which ones you like the most. If you want to get really fancy like me, I like mixing them all into a bowl, throwing in some rosemary essential oil because that is amazing for hair and for scalp treatment as well. And that's like my mega blend hair treatment. I guess hair serum, you could say. If you're looking for more DIY hair recipes, I'll link some below in the text directly that you can find on WhippedGreenGirl.com. And thank you so much for watching. I mean, I really appreciate it. If you could drop me a like, a comment, let me know what kind of DIY videos you're looking for. Even better, please subscribe. Like I say, your skin will thank you. More videos coming next week as usual. Plus there's like a big announcement coming. I hope to have it out this week regarding WhippedGreenGirl.com. Thank you so much. Appreciate your support once again, guys. Follow me on social media, of course. I'll link that all in the text below. And until next time, I'm out. Bye.
I mean, just go to my channel, go to my blog.